Welcome to Technolearn Academy. In this lecture, we will discuss how we can use the match function in Excel. The match is an Excel function used to locate the position of a specific item in a range. This is the formula for the match function. Match function has three arguments. A lookup value. This is the value you want to find within the lookup array. Lookup array. This is the range of cells containing the values to be searched. And the third is the match type. It is an optional value. We can skip this part. This can be 1 if we want to find the largest value, that is less than or equal to VLOOKUP, 0 if you want to find the exact match, or -1 if you want to find the smallest value that is greater than or equal to the lookup value. For example, within this range, we want to find the position of Germany in the state range. So this is my state range, and we can see that the position of Germany within the range is 3 only. So this is how we can use the match function to find the position of a specific value within the given range. Match function can work horizontal or vertical as well. Let's understand the match function with a practical example. Okay. In this example, we want to find the position of Germany from the state range. As we can see that we have 7 states. Out of that, we want to find the position of Germany. So first, we will type equal and then type match. As already discussed, lookup function required 3 arguments. So my lookup value is Germany. And then I want to provide the lookup array, which is my range. So I'll select my range. It is very important to note that we will not select the header, otherwise it will start counting the position from the header itself. So I need to exclude the header from the range. So my first position will be the first row of my range. Okay, now because I want the exact match, so I'll type 0 and close the bracket and hit enter. We can see that using the match function, I am able to find the position of Germany from this range. Match function can work horizontal and vertical as well. So let's do one more example. I type equal, then match. My lookup value is Canada. I will select my state range. Again, I will not include the header and type 0 and close the bracket. Hit enter. We can see that Canada is at the first position within the given range. If I change it to China using the drop down, my position will change automatically. So this is how we can use the match function and can find the position of a specific value within the given range.